So here's how you can make a personal portfolio website totally free using Wix.com. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you are going to do is to open up any browser that you frequently use. It's Google Chrome in my case. Now type Wix.com in the search box and click on Get Started. Now you have different options to sign up. You can either sign up using Facebook or your Google account. I have already signed up using Google account, so I'll just click on it. Now here in the top right corner, you can see Create New Site button. Just click on it. Then it's automatically going to ask you what type of website you want to make. Click on Portfolio and then Next. As we are making portfolio website in this video, then it's going to ask name of the website, so put it and click on Next. Skip any unnecessary information until you reach at this page with two options. First, let Wix create a website for you, or second, customize your own site using a ready-made template. We're going to move into the second option. Now you can see a bunch of templates appearing on the screen. Type in portfolio into the search box and select personal. Now scroll through all of these templates to decide which one suits you best. I'm going to go for this one right now as it looked good. For this, we're going to view it first if it's really good looking. And if it does, we're going to click on Edit this site in the top right corner. After a small loading process, we can now edit it and can change whatever we want. To change the name, just double-click on it and type your own name instead of it. Similarly, change the profession and type in your own. For this, I'm going to type Video Editor in that area. Now to change the image, click into Background and look for Change Section Background option. When you click it, you are now able to fill the background with any specific color, add an image or a video. Let's add another image into it. To add your own image from your device, click on Upload Media, but I'm going to grab a random image real quick. Now as the text is not visible clearly, you can change its color similarly by double-clicking on it and changing the font color. Now if we scroll down, we can see the About Me section. Just double-click on it as we have done earlier, and add your own information instead of it. We can change these bottom images the same way we changed the upper one. At last, add your own place into the contact area. From here, the visitors of your website can send you direct messages with their name and email. Now just click on Publish at the top right corner. Let the loading process. And congratulations! Your site is published and live online. Let's preview to see if it's actually saved or not. You have now created your own portfolio website using Wix.